good. So, Bebe, what are you doing today? You're cooking something that I cannot eat. What is it?
The camera stuff. You always on the camera, but we made some mustard, man. Mustard.
What are you doing? Like a honey mustard or something?
No. This is like a binder for my rib. Yeah. This is just to make the rib stick. Just to make the seasoning stick on the rib, baby.
You're gonna have me drooling and I can't eat this.
No, you don't have to eat any.
I know I can't, but I want to because I know it's gonna be mouth-watering delicious. Smelling so good.
Sorry, there's none for you, baby.
I can't eat pork, guys. I can't eat shrimp and lobster, and I cannot eat pork. It makes me very ill.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, well, guys, man, I whip up this to myself. Babe, alright. Babe is fine. I whip it up for myself, you know?
Well, you'll have like 3 days worth of food or something.
Probably brush this in one day.
You're gonna have all that gone in one day? No way.
Probably brush it in one day.
We'll see. This is his blend seasoning. Don't even ask in the comments what's in it because he's not gonna tell you. Dave, don't ask. Dave, don't ask. Maybe you'll tell Dave in person when you see him at church.
No, this is a secret ingredient.
Secret ingredients, Dave. Sorry, we can't tell you.
Not we. You don't know either.
I don't know what, I mean, yeah, I don't even know what's there. So only God and Akeen knows.
You just stay tuned because we will get it right and ready, understand? So.
Okay, and what time is it? So it is 3:90. No, what is it? Oh, it's 7:30. This is the oven temperature. So there we go. All right, he's patting it on, and we'll come back on here later to see how it's going here. So guys, he's just flipped it over, and now he's doing the other side. He's patting it all in. Pat. Get it all in there. Yeah.
Guys, I don't got any file paper, so never get so. We will say back home, I use the hand make fashion. I'm gonna cook these another way.
If I had known there was no tinfoil, I would have got some, but I will definitely get some tomorrow, babe.
Oh.
Not that it's helping you right now. I said not that it's helping you right now, but I'll get some tomorrow. The thing is, we have other people living in this house with us, and sometimes we're not aware when things are finished, like tinfoil.
Yeah. Lay them out nicely.
Every time I've ever cooked ribs, I always did it in, you know, one of those black roasting pans? That's what I've always cooked it in. But I'm sure it doesn't matter what you cook it in, but that's just always what I used.
One way or the next today.
I used to be able to eat ribs, you know, and then one day they made me sick, and then I ate them again, and they made me sick again, and then I ate them again, and made me, so I'm like, okay, I guess I developed an allergy to pork all of a sudden one day.
just
So you're not putting a cover.
paper.
I know.
Cover it. Just that more. I don't want to put because I don't want it to steam.
Right.
Some people want to put a pot over it, but these are it. Yeah.
So you are gonna put a cover on it. Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna steam them first and then I just put them outside on the grill. You have to give them the final touch. Ah.
It's like 30 degrees there. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? 26. Okay.
Alexa, set alarm for the next 1.5 hours. Thank you.
All right.
Come on, good, eh?
Oh yeah, they smell so good. I might have to have one and just be sick.
Alright, so now I'm going to take off that juice here for you.
It's all grease anyway.
No, but I want it to make me my sauce. Oh, you might get thin there, you know. They're getting tender.
Let me tell you guys, they smell so good. You just drained all of the juice in here.
I gotta get it right, you know, babe. Risking.
I've never seen you cook ribs. We've been together. Actually, in a couple of weeks, I would have known you, or I will have known you 2 years. So in 2 years, I've never seen you cook ribs.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so you're making your sauce. All right, this is the juice from the ribs. You're putting, okay, brown sugar. Wow, lots of sugar. All right. All right. Okay, your babe's not on the diet no more, so. You can put lots of sugar in there. Some ketchup. Jamaicans love ketchup, guys. They put ketchup like in every sauce, I think. There's more ketchup if you need it too. Sweet chili Thai. This is like one of my favorite sauces. Oh my gosh, I just love it. So good. Lime juice. Put the lime in the sauce and stir it around. Put the lime in the sauce and stir it around.
What do you know?
And honey. Honey is good in everything. I love honey. I usually use honey instead of sugar, but Babe uses both. And barbecue sauce, and it gotta be Sweet Baby Ray's. Like, come on. And Babe got me onto the Sweet Baby Ray's. I said, Babe, what kind of barbecue sauce do you use? And he said, Sweet Baby Ray's. And I said, okay. That's what I'm gonna use from now on.
You know, sometimes I'm confused as to which one. Oh, okay.
There's a picture. Yeah. I think everyone does, but you just follow the picture.
Thick already.
Yeah. And this is browning. I call it gravy browning, but he calls it browning.
Canadian overall call it gravy browning.
Yeah, and you call it browning. Jamaicans call it browning.
Yeah.
I thought that I could only get it at Save On Foods, but I actually seen it at Superstore, so now I know I can get it there, so that's good. We go through a lot of it. I should do a tutorial or a vlog doing my wings.
You know your recipe? Allow them to see what it is like.
Everyone needs to know how to make those delicious wings.
Guys, you know what? I turned my wife in a chef. I told you guys she make the best wings. But
I think you make the best wings, but maybe
I
I'm
told you
second.
guys she make the best wings, but it's actually me who she followed
Yes, that is true.
and get it. So, but I had to do it because at the end of the day, I was cooking lots when I just met her. Because you know what? No offense, but I just could not eat her food, man. It was just so it wasn't bad, but it wasn't good. Like, you understand? It was just Canadian like, and so I teach her how to make ribs, wings, so much things. She makes some nice curry chicken too, and she makes stewed chicken. So you know what I mean? Just for her to add up, that's just a big thing for me as a man. So yeah, I got her in the kitchen, and then you know what? I believe when a woman really into you and love you so much, they will do anything there is to make you happy. So
That's
yeah,
true.
my wife did it, and here are we today. She's making me happy. She's making the best chicken wings for me. So never guess what? I'm happy. I teach somebody to do something, and so yeah.
And you liked my curry chicken I made the other day?
Of course, it was really good.
And you like my brown stewed chicken, and what else? You know what I want to learn, babe, is like some fish dishes. I want you to teach me how to do some like steamed fish, maybe coconut curry or something like that.
I'm gonna teach you that one day.
Yeah.
I did pick up some fish the other day, right? So we got fish in the fridge out there, right?
Yeah.
So alright, no worries.
And we do have a couple of fish videos actually. We could put together and I could follow them, I suppose. But since we're doing vlogging now, I think the other way I did it was up and down. Because guys, I haven't taken videos since we met. But
since we start YouTube, to be honest, guys, like we've learned a lot. We do our own research and we see like how the videos should be posted and so forth. So like if you realize the change over time when we're doing videos, they start getting better and better. So yeah, but the last video we posted, it was like from last year. We didn't even start YouTube yet. So
no.
with that said, it's like long way in which that's not YouTube format. So
I used to do reels with them, babe. That's why I used to always make reels and put them on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. But now we're doing YouTube vlogs and videos, so I need to do them horizontal. So maybe we'll do the fish one again in the right format.
yeah, whenever we're doing the fish one, she's gonna cook.
No, I want to watch you and then I'll do it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Deal. Alright.
Okay.
No problem. Drinking it like a soup.
So good. Guys, wow. I'm so blessed to be married to a chef. No, guys, that tastes so good. I'm gonna put that on the wings. Like, not that specific one, but I'm gonna put exactly those ingredients and put that sauce on the wings next time.
She's my copycat, but never gets that. It's okay.
It's so good. So guys, on my diet, I eat a lot of lentils. I'm gonna put some of this sauce on my lentils. I'm gonna get some of this food somehow. I can't eat the ribs, but I'll eat the sauce.
Something else. Do you know sugar is in it, right?
Oh yeah, just a little bit though.
Are you still?
It's just a little bit. It's just.
You cheating.
I know. I
You
only got a
cheated.
little bit of sauce. Just a little bit.
Alright. Sauce is ready, guys. Waiting on the ribs.
I'm just eating my lentils with my sugar sweet. I didn't use that much though. So guys, here in Campbell River, it's 9 o'clock and look at it, so bright out. is set now at 9 o'clock p.m. Wow. Ooh, they looking good.
Need to steer me some more time more them. Yeah, them still tough. Oh, them soft. Some place of them soft.
Put it in the sauce. No?
Yeah, I'll put a little piece here. Now I can taste it.
Good.
Oh my word. Alright. Soft and tender. Never just what?
I'm gonna put the sauce on it now.
Yeah, it's good, baby. It's good. Ribs are ready. Feel like now I'm gonna get 2 coatings. So now because I want to get a dry paste, I'm now going to cover it again.
Oh, okay.
Just put it back in like this.
Yeah, that's how I do the wings. I just put them like that, dry them out a bit. All right.
And then just throw that on top of it after again. So,
Okay.
yeah.
And he cleans up after himself. So he doesn't leave it for his wife to clean up.
Why should I? Why? Why, baby? Why?
I don't know. I'm thankful that you don't.
Like she's still trying to figure out where the noise come from when I'm scripting this. It's a Jamaican thing, baby.
Oh, really?
Don't you worry about it.
Oh, wow.
If you didn't born in Jamaica, you're not gonna understand it.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Get up and get active. You're looking here. And you know your boy, whenever your boy touch the kitchen, it's always a done deal. You understand? So we're gonna test these out now. We're gonna taste them. And you guys let me know how they look. But we're gonna dive right in and taste them right now. Oops. I can't wait to dive into it. And even those ones for baby, you know, she says she doesn't want any. I know her.
No,
She's
you're gonna
dive in.
No, you're gonna put them in a dish for tomorrow. That's what you're gonna do.
What?
You're gonna put them in a dish for yourself for tomorrow.
It's good. I'll taste it out and see where I'm going. And that's voila! Let me have a seat. Babe said she doesn't want any. So, making ribs for me.
I wish I could eat it. I wish I was pranking you right now and that I could actually eat them. How is it?
They're so tender.
Mmm. Fall right off the bone. And how long did you cook them for? 7:30? Oh, almost 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It's hot, but it's nice.
Well, there you go. So that's it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and share to someone that might want to know how to cook ribs.
These are definitely a bang, guys.
We expect lots of comments. Lots of comments, guys. So, until next time.
I thought you said. I thought you said.
These things make me sick, but I'm gonna have a try.
I thought
one.
she said.
I'm gonna have one.
You didn't want any.
He's telling on me.
Yeah. I know after the camera you're gonna put on a show.
I'm just trying them.
Guys, I'm diving right in.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?